I don't know, you just look really nice in this outfit. Oh, thank you. Paris told me to wear it. Oh, wow, you look really beautiful. Wait, did I actually say that? Well, as a friend. By the way, I love your hair clip. It looks amazing. Paris told me to wear it as well. Wow, I like it. And your hair is really nice. I mean, and I like how you like, you know, like... Laura, do you think I should tell her? I mean, if you want to, but, I mean, you don't want to let your feelings out, I guess, but, I mean, maybe I should talk to Holden about it. I think you do. I mean, you don't want to just say it now, because you might blow, let the secret out. You don't want everyone to know, I guess. Hey, dude. Hi? Well, I just want to say that, you know how I have a crush on London? Wait, you do? No, you already know that, right? I guess, but, I mean, not good to let your feelings out. I mean, you should tell her how you feel, though. I don't want to tell her. She's probably just gonna make fun of me. She probably doesn't feel the same. I'm gonna go hide in here. Open it up. Is she coming? No, she's not coming, dude. Oh, I'm hiding here. Ooh. Oh my god. That was so funny. I know, I guess it was. I mean, you guys aren't really spending that much time with me. I mean, I don't know. It just doesn't feel the same as, you know. Well, you should hang out with Diana then. I mean, we got business, you know. I guess. What's wrong, Spring? I want to be like you guys, but I don't know how to express my feelings, you know? I guess. What about you, London? Oh, I don't know. Maybe you should totally go for him. I mean, you should totally talk to him. I don't know. Oh, come on, London. I mean, you've got pretty earrings and that. I mean, you're way prettier than me. I mean, my hair's, like, so messy. I need to ask Mom to help me brush it. Like, it's so messy. And look at you. I mean, you got bangs, like, really nice hair, like, neat and tidy. You've got beautiful earrings and beautiful eyes. And I'm just, well, a mess. This outfit doesn't even match me. Like, I'm wearing all shoes and, like, everything, but... I mean, you did encourage me to wear it. I don't know. Paris, you were, like, so, like, pretty, like, I don't know, like, I mean, I'm not that pretty. I mean, I've got this ugly hair. It's just messy, and I don't know. I've tried to tell Mom to, like, make it longer, but she keeps telling me that it's gonna be, it's gonna grow by itself, but I can't wait. It's just so long. I just don't like it. My hair is just so sticking up and it's just bad. I just don't feel like I like this at all. And hey, you're wearing a new butterfly clip. And yeah, it's in my hair. I actually went to a shop with Mom and I got it. Wait, did London go? No, London didn't come, but it's really cute. Sure it is. Oh my god. I don't know, maybe we'll just go over there. Oh, Holden, hi, why is Charlie, like, hanging out in there? I don't know, maybe he's just doing something. That's pretty weird. I mean, why is he hanging out in there? That's just strange. He's hiding. Oh, I see. London's been talking a lot about him. She has the same feelings. Hey, Charlie! Do you know that London likes you? Wait, what? No, she's here. Yeah, she's totally... Oh, no, I'm gonna... Just cover me up, dude. I'll go get her now. Okay. Oh, hi, Spring. Hi. London, Holden wants you. I mean, Charlie wants you. Ooh, it's, a secret admirer. He does? Yeah, he totally feels the same feelings about you. I mean, it's kind of weird how my brother told me. I mean, he's like my twin brother. We pretty much have the same sense. You know, same eyes. Same, you guys don't have the same eyes. Well, it's kind of. It's complicated. I don't know if I want to see him. I'm pretty embarrassed. Oh, come on, London. You've seen him before. I don't know. I'm feel really awkward. I might go hide. Oh, come on, London. Don't be a party pooper. Come on. Okay. Oh, yes. You're doing it. Oops. But your skirt doesn't, fall down. Yeah, it's pretty big. Let's go. Oh, don't be. It's like nothing. I don't know. Is he here? Yep. Oh my god, you're my man. Yeah, I'll just quickly, Holden, can you let him out? Just say London's not here. Charlie, no one's here now. You can come out, I promise. London's actually, she's gonna get some, I think she's getting dinner with Mom. Oh, right. So, Spring, why are you being like that? Oh, nothing. It's, no one under here. Okay, then why can't I see, like, hair? Oh, no, it's London. No, Charlie, it's not London. Oh, it's London. I'm not silly. Oh, come on. London? Oh, she's confessing. Oh, dude, I don't know. I feel weird. This is going to be really awkward. Oh, come on. Just do it. Here, Spring, just get her out. London, oh my god. You're looking pretty cute. Thanks. You too. I'm wearing like the same outfit. I know it's not great. My hair needs to be brushed. And my mom's like it needs to be gelled, but I don't need gel. Mind if we go? Yes. Okay. We'll just be in the back watching. No, dude. Oh, come on. It's for the best. No. It's kind of awkward, but what do you want to talk about? I don't know, but it's, I don't know. So are you still talking to Sage? I don't know. She's been really avoiding me lately. I think I know why. Anyway, do you want to sit down? Well, I'm meant to sit down too. So what, my hands up. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know, you just look really nice in this outfit. Oh, thank you. Paris told me to wear it. Oh, wow, you look really beautiful. Wait, did I actually say that? Well, as a friend. By the way, I love your hair clip. It looks amazing. Paris told me to wear it as well. Wow, I like it. And your hair is really nice. I mean, and I like how you like, you know, like, how it's in, like, those little buns. It's just really cute style. Maybe I should try. You're funny. Oh, I know. I'm a bit weird. Anyway, yeah, I don't know. Well, hey. Wait, did I accidentally do this? No, I didn't mean to. You can hold my hand if you want. Okay. I mean, I'm not like being unfair or anything to say. I mean, she was one of my best friends, and I don't want to let her down. You don't have to. I like holding your hand. My God, are you kidding me? Oh, so cute. My God. What? Dude, oh my God. Oh my God.